Hello everybody, heartily welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete any application, any app from your Android operating system. So we know that we can't uninstall any application easily from here. That such as example, just if I want to uninstall the Twitter, but I can't uninstall. Just I want to show you, just tap and hold and click. If you press the uninstall, so the app uninstall from your operating system. But here the application actually not uninstall from your operating system, because it is the not a good way the such type of application uninstall permanently. This is not a good process. There are another way to uninstall the application permanently. If you want to uninstall any application from just like if you want to uninstall this one, so this app actually wouldn't uninstall from your operating system. So that is why the all application are going in your background, and when uninstall after when you get install any new app, so the all app get you any permission file, just like a permission, just like a file permission, photo permission, audio permission. If you uninstall directly from here, the all app are running this background, and your system is going slow down. Your space must be occupied, this uninstall app. So how to do that? So first you connect the internet, because I am connected this internet through Wi-Fi, and go to the Play Store app. This is my Play Store app, and click on this photo button. Click on this photo button. This is my channel, Himazumapia channel, and click on the manage app and device. So and click here, manage app, and install, and click on not install app, because I want to uninstall all not install app. So this app I have already uninstalled from this application directly, but I want to uninstall all the application permanently for my operating system, because it's around in my background, and it slow down my operating system, and it also occupied lots of memory in my operating system. So you click it, select Adobe Acrobat Reader. I want a Art Station, Bengali Matrimony, Bharat Matrimony, Brave, Facebook Lite, Google Earth, Google Find My Device, Google PDF Viewer, but I don't want Google Play Games, Google Play Service not available for this service, Translator 24 MB. I don't want this app. Instant not available. Instant app. Geo Call NTES, it is a railway pioneer. I want this app. Pen and rest, QR scanner, barcode, screen recorder, train app, book ticket, train live status. But I wanted this app, train live status. I already install, and it cover in my unzip folder. Tutanota, I want this app. Twitter Lite, voice access, Zilly, Zoom One platform, and just click on the cross button in the top right corner and remove apps won't appear here but can be installed again from the Play Store. Cancel, and you can click on the remove. Here you can see the 23 apps already removed, but the rest of the app, Google PDF Payoneer for pay through the Payoneer account, but I have a PayPal account, Train Live. I want the Tutanota encrypted email app. Payoneer, you know the POI mobile is a bank account. ArtStation, we are artists. This app I won't uninstall. Behance, all our app in the zip folder, so I don't want to uninstall this one. So this is the process to uninstall your all application permanently from your operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new tips. Thanks and bye bye.